Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Digital Ocean. Today I'm going to be covering which in my opinion are the top 3 best free certifications. So please stay until the end because the third one is the most important one. Thank you. See you in a bit. Alright, so the first certificate that you really need to pass for free, it's Google. You know, Google has Google Search, Google Analytics, which is very important for analyzing the data and optimizing your campaigns based on it. Then you have YouTube, huge right now. It doesn't matter when we're talking about, e-commerce, when you talk about courses, digital products, it doesn't matter. You have Google Display and so on and so forth. You can target, of course, apps, so on. They also have, and you can get all these certifications for free. All those courses and certification, you can get them for free. In addition to that, they also have these courses here like e-commerce associate, paid search specialist, email marketing specialist, media planner, digital marketing specialist, coordinator. Some of them you can get them through Coursera, but not all of them. Is of course, if you go through Coursera, you gotta pay really pretty money, but you need to pay for the certificate. Google is a must. You can see how many employees of how many different companies are getting those certifications, and I'm just speechless. I cannot say anything in this regard. The numbers are not lying, guys. I'll leave you with that. The link will be in the description below. Type it on your keyboard, all the links on the description below. And the second place that you can find very good free courses, in this case it's just one, but I think it's the best one, social media marketing course and certification. This one is a little bit like basic, like for beginners, but it's absolutely free, and they give you a free ebook, see free course and certification, and you can see the certificate down below. Also, you can go through, to see the course overview, materials, content, and everything, in between. And yeah, that's a great place to get a free course. Another one, the third one, I think it's the most important one, is HubSpot Academy. So here, for instance, in HubSpot Academy, you can get an e-commerce inbound marketing certification for absolutely free. The course and the certification. If I type, for instance, one skill that is very important nowadays, it's email marketing. Actually, I haven't typed it. So as you can see, email marketing course, you just type email marketing, you get a course of email marketing, single lesson. So lesson 1, lesson 2, 40 minutes, 16 minutes, so on and so forth. And yeah, it's a great course. You have LinkedIn marketing, business fundamental. They give you similar to your search results. Let's see if I go for social media marketing or something like that. There you go, social media marketing. Yeah, so they have huge library of courses, and all those courses based on their experience in HubSpot. There are so many professionals. Personally know some of them. I'm 100% sure that they are not going to put something outside, because I haven't taken all these courses. I gotta be honest with you guys, but they are not going to put something out there that it's not highest quality. And thank you for watching this video. I really thank you for being our subscribers or not. Please subscribe if you're not. Please hit notification bell and the thumbs up if you like this video. I will be releasing another video, a top 3 or 5, we'll see, depends, that are paid, that in my opinion are really crucial in order to be a digital marketer those days. So thank you again for watching this video, and see you on the other side of success.